the normal mind, whatever you are experiencing right now, is just like the mountain, just like sky. It is just like mountain is kind of like ground, unchangeable. It's like sky, it is free, pure. It is like cloud. All the movement, the mind has particular quality which is can appear any thought, feelings, perception. So this is really wonderful nature. So how we connect with that? You don't have to do anything. Just be as it is. Be as like mountain. Be as like sky. And then welcome all the cloud. The temperature. Right now I'm having nice breeze. And there's a lot of nice clouds coming, the birds flying. So it's just most important is be as it is and welcome and accepting whatever changes, whatever occur. Let them come, let them go. So even all this, they all comes and goes. They all are in the awareness. And this awareness is completely free. There's no such kind of like essence that you can grab on. It's empty. Yet, it's completely empty, yet you can see it. You can hear it. You can think. You can feel. How strange, isn't it? And this awareness, there's no limitation. There's no edge. Everywhere and nowhere. I can see the mountain far away. It doesn't mean awareness go there, mountain come here. It's completely open from the 10 direction. And yet, it is empty. There's no essence, nothing which is grab, nothing which is cling. There's no hold on onto. It's free. So what we have to do now? Do nothing.